Thank you for watching. I would like to explain the functions of this site. Click to read. This is a function that reads aloud when you click on it. You can operate and set speed, pitch, volume, no explanation, explanation provided, activation, deactivation of text emphasis, manual stop, automatic stop, etc. Automatic scrolling. This is an automatic scrolling function. Automatic scrolling on, off, speed, and pitch can be operated and set. Click copy. Click copy is a function that copies when you click. This is set to the location where you want to copy and paste. You can change the characters in the sentence by setting the following and clicking the Change button. Input section emphasis. Emphasize the part to input to the server. Emphasis on changes. Highlight the changes you made in this form. Domain. Please enter the domain you acquired. DHCP IP address, mask length. Please enter the DHCP IP address, mask length of the network where the server will be installed. IP address set on the web server. Please enter the IP address you have chosen for the web server. Fedora37 System monitoring settings. Link. Installing Nagios. Nagios plugin installation. Nagios settings. Apache HTTPD configuration. Start Nagios. Installing Nagios. Install the required modules for Nagios. Create a Nagios user. Download Nagios. Deploy Nagios. Move to the directory where Nagios is extracted. Install the patch. Download the Nagios Japanese localization patch. Implement the Nagios Japanese localization patch. Install Nagios. Exit the directory. Delete the Nagios extraction destination directory. Delete the downloaded files. Nagios plugin installation. Download the Nagios plugin. Deploy the Nagios plugin. Move to the directory where you extracted the Nagios plugin. Install the Nagios plugin. Exit the directory. Delete the Nagios plugin deployment directory. Delete the downloaded files. Nagios settings. Set the file. Line 51. Delete the hashu at the beginning of the line to uncomment it and enable server monitoring settings. Line 1096. Set the date format. Create a directory for storing server monitoring configuration files. Set the file. Line 32. Set administrator email address. Set the file. Line 144. Set notification when SSH status changes. Line 158. Set notification when SSH status changes. Set the file. Line 29. Sets the nkf command to prevent garbled characters in the email body. Line 37. Sets countermeasures against garbled characters in the email body of the nkf command. Line 16. Add. Line 17. Add hashu to the beginning of the line to make it a comment and set it to be accessible only from inside. Line 19. Make settings to allow access only from the internal network. Line 20. Add. Line 49. Add. Line 50. Add hashu to the beginning of the line to make it a comment and set it to be accessible only from inside. Line 52. Set to allow access only from the internal network. Line 53. Add. Configure the settings to reflect the web server settings. Create a Nagios administrative user, Nagios admin. Set a password. Start Nagios. Start up. Start the web browser. Access Nagios. Log in with the administrator user and registered password, and check the operation. Masu. Thank you for watching until the end. I hope this was helpful.